Okay, so it's finally night, and I decided I would put on a little display. By the way, guys, it's Derp God, and I thought I would make a video today because I really have nothing else to do. Anyway, you see this bad boy? You want to know what it does? Neither do I, but for the views, okay? Wait, why isn't it working? Everything is so well thought through. This video is turning into fireworks display to Derp God try hard Derp God to doing redstone. Try hard Derp God trying to do redstone. Or Derp God being a tryhard thinking he can do redstone. But he cannot, which sucks. So I'm hoping this doesn't take too long, because I really like this and you're gonna think it's awesome. By the way, just in case I forget to say it at the end, subscribe, leave a like, hit that ding dong like button, hit that ding dong notification bell, and subscribe. Because this redstone display is going to be epic if I do manage to get it right. Which unfortunately is unlikely because I'm probably worse at redstone than Grian. No offense, Grian, that I said you were bad. But still, I'm worse than Grian, which says a lot. I'm pretty flippin' bad at redstone. Anyway, now it should work. Yoit! Oh yeah, it worked. Look at that. That's epic! Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm proud of my work. I don't know if you are, but I am. Anyway, the red is for subscribing, the green is for smashing that like button, smash like, the blue is for hitting the notification bell, and the yellow is for commenting. Let me do that again because that just looked awesome. So, let's get lime, yellow, blue, and red. Shut it off. See, I don't even know how to work a repeater. But the thing is, when you do get redstone to work, it's awesome. So like I said, red for subscribing, blue for like button, green for notification bell. Actually, yellow for notification bell because bells are usually yellow. And that leaves green for commenting. Sorry I said yellows for commenting earlier, but yeah, I got it mixed up earlier. Red is for subbing, blue is for liking because when you hit the like button it turns blue. Green is for commenting, and yellow is for notification bell because Minecraft bells are yellow. I really want to do that one more time because that just looks sick. Another reason I'm doing a fireworks display is because let's just say this display is for Spikes. Thank you, Spikes, for playing Minecraft with me earlier today. I don't want green, I want lime. How hard is it to pass along the message that I want lime? Blue, red, and yellow. Okay. One more time, and then we conclude this video. Smash like if you want a 10-hour loop. Also subscribe if you want 10-hour loop. Comment if you want 10-hour loop. If it's a bad comment, I will not do the 10-hour loop. And hit the notification bell for the 10-hour loop. Whoops. I forgot it needs to be instant. Oh. Well, I mistakenly set off the fireworks display. Anyway, I hope you bros enjoyed that. Smash like if you enjoyed. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be in the notification squad like Spikes. And yeah. So, subscribe. Subscribe. And one more thing. Subscribe. Oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to tell you, but I forgot what it was. Let's do this one more time while I try and remember. I forgot what I wanted to tell you. Oh my god, why do I have such a dull memory? I keep forgetting what I want to tell you guys. Even though you guys are one of my main concerns. What was it? Oh yeah, subscribe. And subscribe. Subscribe, Allie. Isn't that right, Allie? Subscribe, Mr. Snappy. Flippy, I know you're already subscribed, so you get a high five. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks display. So yeah, watch till the end of this one to give me watch time. So, see ya!